The Nikon Z7 III is still officially unannounced, but that hasn't stopped a flood of credible rumors and speculations from making their way through trusted camera forums and insider sources. Here's a quick breakdown of what we expect the Z7 III to feature. Dual XT processor, faster processing, improved buffer performance. 8K video, internal 8K/30p and 4K/120p recording capabilities. Improved autofocus, AI-powered subject detection and real-time tracking. EVF upgrade, 9.44 OLED EVF expected with blackout-free shooting. Dual CF Express Type B slots, for professional-level data handling. IBIS boost, up to 8 stops of 5-axis in-body image stabilization. Battery life improvements, enhanced Z-series battery or potential adoption of new power management tech. This all points to one thing: a camera designed for professionals and pixel peepers alike, with no compromises. One of the most talked about changes in the Z7 III is how it will become a true hybrid shooter, blurring the lines between still photography and cinematic filmmaking. While previous Z7 iterations were mainly favored by landscape and portrait photographers for their high-resolution sensors, the Z7 III is expected to expand its appeal significantly. The inclusion of 8K internal video, enhanced color science, and a new log format, possibly N-Log2, makes this a dream tool for creators who need both crystal-clear stills and broadcast-grade video. This brings the Z7 III into the realm of hybrid cameras like the Sony A7 RV, Canon EOS R5, and even the Panasonic Lumix S1H, a space Nikon previously treaded cautiously in. Now, it's charging in with a vengeance. Nikon has made some serious strategic adjustments in the past 2 years. With increasing competition from Canon's RF line and Sony's Alpha series, the Z7 III marks a clear evolution in Nikon's mirrorless playbook. Aggressive innovation, no longer just catching up, Nikon is aiming to lead. Creator-centric design. This camera isn't just for photographers, it's for filmmakers, vloggers, and content pros. Z-mount investment. Nikon is doubling down on its Z-mount ecosystem with new pro-grade Z lenses to match the Z7 III's capabilities. AI-powered everything, from autofocus to dynamic range adjustment, AI and machine learning.